Tired of plain, boring text that doesn't stand out? Learn how to create stylish wave text paths in Elementor in under 4 minutes. We'll navigate to the text path widget, set it to wave, customize the text, then finish with style and advanced options. Start by opening your pages and clicking Edit with Elementor on the home page to launch the builder. Once the editor loads, go ahead and click on General to access the main settings area. Then click on General again to keep moving through the options we need. Now, click on Text Path to add that element to your layout. Next, click on Text so you can set up the actual content for the path. After that, click on Path Type to pick the shape that your text will follow. Then choose Wave from the options to give it a flowing, wavy look. Click on Link if you'd like to make your text path clickable. Then click on Alignment to position the text just right on the path. After that, click on Text Direction to set whether it reads left to right or right to left. Finally, click on Show Path to decide whether the path itself is visible. Now move to the Style tab to change colors, fonts, and other visual details. And finish up by clicking Advanced for extra fine-tuning. And that's all there is to it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.